Good morning, students. How are you? I know you all are good. Do you remember about your previous video? Yes, in the previous video, you all have discussed about riddles. Do you like riddles? Yes, you like riddles. We will discuss the rest of the topic, the riddle master, which is in your class 8th English book. Now let's discuss about the rest topic. Dear students, let's get started. After watching this video, you learn about the text and know the answer of these questions, which is come from the text. And another thing, you understand the riddle and answer the questions. Before starting this topic, in previous video, you remember about the moneylender, how Buddhu Adam cheated the moneylender. You also remember that things, that condition of the moneylender to Buddhu Adam is two condition. One condition is if you answer my three riddles answer, then if you teach me the backward forward dance, then I do not need the return money which I give you. Who said? The money lender said to ବୁଧୁ ଆଦାମ ତୁମେ ଜାଣିଛ ପିଲାମାନେ ବୁଧୁ ଆଦାମ କୁ ମନି ଲେଣ୍ଡର ଗୋଟିଏ କଣ୍ଡିସନ କହିଥିଲା ଯେ ଯଦି ତୁମେ ମୋର ତିନୋଟି ରିଡିଲ୍ସ ର ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଇଦବ ଏବଂ ତୁମକୁ ଦେଇଥିବା ପଇସା ମୁଁ ରିଟର୍ନ ନେବି ନାହିଁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଯଦି ତମେ ମତେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ ଶିଖିଦବ ବ୍ୟାକୱାର୍ଡ ଫରୱାର୍ଡ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ another thing you remember this topic. Now I ask some questions about this concept. Today I am going to discuss about the third SGP of this topic, the riddle master. Now we discuss about SGP 2 about the money lender. First question is, why did Buddha take two witness with him? Two witness, ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ସାକ୍ଷୀକୁ why Buddha take two witness? ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ସାକ୍ଷୀ କାହିଁ ନେଇଥିଲା ନା for proof. If money lender cheated the person by Buddha Adam, then he also think that if the Buddha Adam answer three questions and also teach the dance, but money lender could not receive it and said, no, I do not know. So that Buddha Adam take two witness for proof what he teaches, what he answered to moneylender. Another thing, what was the moneylender's first riddle? You know very well that the moneylender asked three riddles to Buddha Adam. What is the first riddle? You know the first riddle is the Raja's plate which you can wash. This is the first riddle. The riddle's answer is a coiled up snake. Another thing, another question. What was the moneylender's third question? You know that this is a difficult question and lengthy question of the moneylender. The question is, he has a crown but is not a king. He walks up man but is not a watchman. Tell me the name. This is the third riddle of the moneylender. Another question, did Buddha Adam answer all the riddles of the moneylender? You all remember? Yes, Buddha Adam answered all three questions so that the moneylender turned back to home without money. Now, what happened in next? Today, we are going to discuss. Think what will happen in the next. When the moneylender come back to home without money, after listening the story, what the students are doing? The students are laughing because Buddha Adam cheated the money lender. Now we are going to discuss about SGP3, the riddle masters. Look at this picture. All the boys who are sitting in front of Buddha Adam. Buddha Adam said the story of the cheated moneylenders. Now all the boys who had been listening attentively ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟର ସହିତ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଆକର୍ଷଣ କରି ଦେଖୁଥିବା ପିଲାମାନେ loved at once. ସମସ୍ତେ ହସିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲେ. All of them still sat looking at Buddhadam, who was sitting close to the wall. ଯେ କି ୱାଲରେ କାନ୍ଥରେ ଆଉଜି ବସିଥିଲେ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ସମସ୍ତେ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ. The boys knew once he finished taking red tea, he would ask them a riddle. If the tea is finished, then Buddhadam asked some questions or some riddles to the students. All students know about this, so that all listen carefully and attentively. Then they are getting ready for the test. You know very well that the students very well know, the children very well know. If the red is finished, the Buddhadam asked some riddles. So if they could not answer the riddles question, then they feel guilty, so that they listen carefully and attentively. Now they are getting ready for the test. When the red tea went in, the riddle came out the block that raised its tail when it its belly full. The block ବଳଦ that raised its tail when it its belly full. Full ପେଟେ ଖାଇଦେଲା ପରେ କେତେବେଳେ the bullock that raised its tail, ବଳଦଟିଏ ତାର ଲାଞ୍ଜ ଉପରକୁ ଉଠାଏ when it its belly full, ପେଟେ ଖାଇଦେଲା ପରେ ଲାଞ୍ଜ ଉପରକୁ ଉଠାଏ. କଣ ୟାର ମାନେ? Thrice he repeated the riddle. The riddle is the bullock that raised its tail when it its belly full. Thrice he repeated the riddle. He who can answer the riddle will be the little riddle master today, added the old man. The old man said, if anyone answer from these children, you are the little riddle master from today. Tell me the name. What is this? The students listen and shocked. Everyone was quiet. No sound, no movement. Everyone was trying his best to find an answer. When no reply came for a long time, tell me, what is its answer? When the students could not answer it, when no reply from students, Buddhadam allowed them to guess the answer. Guess মানে অনুমান করি কহিবা. Think. Some hints will given by Buddhadam to the students. Is it an animal? Asked one boy. Buddhadam said no. Came the reply. Is it food? Suggested another boy. ଏହା ଖାଦ୍ୟ କି? Answer no, said the old man. Now a boy who was all the time sitting silently in front of the old man. A boy who was all time sitting, ଯେ କି ସବୁ ସମୟରେ ବସିଥାଏ silently, ନିରବତାର ସହିତ in front of the old man. ସେଇ ବୁଧୁଆଦାମ ବା ସେଇ ଜେଜେବାପାଙ୍କ ନିକଟରେ ଯେ ସାଇଲେଣ୍ଟଲି ବସିଥାଏ, suggested ପ୍ରସ୍ତାବ ଦେଲା at last ଶେଷରେ, is it a thing used by a businessman? ଏହା ଗୋଟେ ବିଜନେସମ୍ୟାନ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଥିବା ଜିନିଷ କି? ବୁଧୁଆଦାମ ସେ yes, but tell me what it is. ହଁ ଏହା ଅଟେ, but tell me what it is. ଏହା କୁହ କଣ ଅଟେ? A wing balance, said the boy. ଓଜନ କରା ଯନ୍ତ୍ର, କହିଲା the boy. Now the old man stood up and laughing. The old man stood up laughing and took the boy in his arms, shouting, here is the little master, here is the little master. Because the condition is given by the Buddhadam that if you can answer this riddle's answer, then you are the little master. So that the boy who answered this question, Buddhadam or the old man stood up laughing and took the boy in his arms, shouting, କୋଳରେ ଆଲିଙ୍ଗନ କରି କହିଲା, here is the little master, here is the little master. Hope you all understand. The previous section was about Buddhadam and the moneylender, how Buddhadam cheated the moneylender. What is this section about? Tell me. In previous section, we discussed how the moneylender cheated by Buddhadam. But now, what is the section about? What is the section? Now, the section about after the story, Buddhu Adam declared, if anyone answer my riddles, then he is called riddle master. Now the second question is for you. What riddle did Buddhu Adam ask the children? Tell me the name of the riddles. Anyone try to answer this question? What is the riddles? The riddles is, yes, the block that raises its tail when it eats belly full. The block that raises its tail when it eats belly full. Was it a difficult riddle? Tell me, was it a difficult riddle? या कठिन थिला कि बा कष्टसाध्य riddle थिला कि? No. For students, it is a difficult riddle because they need some hints so that some student ask some questions to Buddhu Adam and suggest, please give suggestion towards this question. Who was called the little riddle master? କାହାକୁ ଆମେ who was called? କିଏ ହେଲା the little riddle master? କିଏ ହେଲା? Yes, a boy who was all time sitting silently in front of the old man. He is called the little riddle master because he answered the riddles. Then tell me, name at least 10 tribes of Odisha. Do you know some tribes? Tell me 10 tribes. Collect the data about the 10 tribes. Now I ask some questions. Tell me the answer of the question. Buddhu Adam was a dash, moneylender, woodcutter, farmer, or storyteller. Yes, answer is the storyteller. Buddhu Adam always tell the story to students or children. Another question. Buddhu Adam called a tooth a dash, wildcat, hairy caterpillar, white stone, hornless block. Tell me. Yes, answer is white stone. Very good. Then, who has a crown but is not a king? Tell me, who has a crown but is not a king? Cock. Very good. Right answer is cock. Another question. A bamboo with 7 eyes is the dash. A bamboo with 7 eyes. Tell me, what is this? Yes, fruit. Thank you so much. You answer all the questions and you understand about all the concept. Hope you understand all the topic of the riddle master. So thank you so much.